Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contacts application located somewhere in your apps. There we go. Next, you will then want to navigate to Organize and find the option called Manage SIM. Give it a moment. It sometimes takes a while to load the contacts on your SIM card. I do have a SIM, so I will just wait, as I know that there are contacts on there. There we go. So you can see it loaded them up. It took it a moment, but don't worry. Now, for me, it shows me all the contacts right here, and they are all selected, and none of them are grayed out. If you see some kind of contacts on your end that are grayed out and deselected, don't worry, these contacts already exist on your contacts list. Now, it also might matter depending on where you want to import your contacts to. For me, I don't have any kind of Google account signed in, so the phone automatically defaults to the only option, which is the phone itself. But in your case, you most likely have a Google account, and the device will automatically default to the Google account if there is one signed in. And you will have a drop-down menu somewhere between the first contact and Manage SIM. And depending on, for instance, if some of those contacts already exist on your Google account, they might be grayed out, but if you switch to the device, there is no contacts on the device, they will automatically become available to you for importing again. Anyway, with that out of the way, you can also obviously deselect contacts that you don't want, and when you have the location set and contact set that you want to import, click on the button. This will import all selected contacts, and when you go back to your list, they should be all visible right here. Now, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might sometimes need to switch the display location, and there are two ways of going about it depending on the version of the contacts application. So one would be right here where it says device. You can tap on the drop-down menu, and you might see something like device, phone, SIM card, and Google account. And the same options sometimes might appear right here where I have the icon of a phone. So those would be the two different locations. Now, they do change. So originally it was right here, and I think that's how it works right now on this device. But with an update to the Contacts app, it will be shifted to here. Anyway, with that out of the way, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.